Good afternoon, everyone. It's 24th of October, 2 p.m. I'm at Carpenter Recreation Center. Uh, Today's note, and this message is for all the youth, all the teenagers, all the middle schoolers, and I hope junior schools are not yet, or junior school students are not yet exposed to this nonsense which is going on. My message very clear is, please do not get influenced by the nonsense what is going around, this cyber trafficking. My message to youth is, I am not looking forward for any one single person to get inspired by the nuisance what these people have triggered. The reason being, I'm not looking forward for a community wherein the relationships and the friends and your co-workers are there to abuse you. The society, the community has to be with right morals, values and integrity. And once that is not there, either in your professional environment or in your personal environment or in your friend circle, you don't have that feeling for anyone. Trust me, these people who are doing this kind of a nuisance to bring me down every single day, they are completely hollow from inside. Completely hollow from inside. They don't have any human ethics, they do not have human values, they do not have the integrity. Hence, my very clear message to the youth is, see, there are problems everywhere. Everywhere. In every professional company, there will be a problem. In every friendship, there will be a problem. In any home, there will be a problem. But don't do things below the belt. There are platforms you will disagree. There are platforms you will have a different opinions. There are platforms where you won't agree, disagree, things are going to be there. But just because you have an knowledge of technology and you have some social influences, if you start abusing that towards the person whom you don't agree or disagree, then I think this world will be full of morons. There can be, different set of people. There can be, as I said, there are problems everywhere. The thing is, you have to decide whether you have to follow that track or you don't have to follow that track, or you want to maintain your individual personality, or you want to follow the herd just because of terror, just because of fear. Just think very wisely. My advice is going to be, choose the right thing to do. Do not get influenced by anyone. Anyone means anyone. Even if your brother XYZ person is doing the wrong thing, you don't have to do the same thing. Even if your sister is doing the wrong thing, you don't have to do the same thing. Your boss is doing the wrong thing, you don't have to do the same thing. Your friends are doing the wrong thing, you don't have to do the same thing. Just because even if they are doing the wrong thing, they are making a huge amount of money, I'm sure there is something that is lacking inside them that is making them all these ugly things. Make your own personality and make it with right set of morals, values and integrity. That is needed in today's state. Make it happen.